check it out. Man, what's taking so long?
Yeah.
Mr. Welsh would like everyone's attention.
Love my
This
dog.
lockdown is not over, but you are going to be released. Teachers, police, and staff assist me in doing this. Exactly as I say. Lockdown is not over. Section by section. It's only the areas that I state first. You are to remain on lockdown.
Oh my god, you guys come here, look through the window. Ow. Donna bit me. Ah. Ooh. Ouch. Ouch. Ouch, Donna. Ah. Donna. That really hurt. Donna bit me. That really hurt, Donna, and it's still hurting. It's a dynamiter taking our bell.
I said no. This is
You got some skills there. You have some karate skills.
Alright, break it up. Didn't I tell you I have to go home? Move it.
Miss Sweeney, come on, let me get my phone
Let
back.
me get my hat back, please. Come on, please, my phone, my phone.
Miss Sweeney, Miss Sweeney.
Sweetie, come on, Sweetie, Sweetie, please, Sweetie.
What is this guy supposed to be? Oh, he's so cute.